Hello students, the topic of the essay is our national flag. Our national flag is a symbol of our country. It has three colors: saffron, white and green. Saffron color stands for courage, white stands for peace and green stands for prosperity. In the center of the white stripe, there is a blue wheel called the Ashoka Chakra. The Ashoka Chakra has 24 spokes. Our flag is always treated with great respect. We hoist the flag on special days like Independence Day and Republic Day. We see it in many places like schools and government offices. It is important to respect our national flag. Our national flag makes us proud of our country. Don't forget to subscribe.